Hey guys, and we're back. Marino's Collectibles. I'm Randy, and here I am with another cup of coffee. So we left off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 packs left out of 36. And I was checking this box to see what the rares were on here. So I know there's Charizard, VMAX, there's a bunch, but I just wanted to see what else we had here. We have the Senna Scorch V, the Mew V, the Galarian Slowbro V, many other blah blah blah. So Charmander VMAX, Grimmsnarl VMAX, Butterfree VMAX, and more. So we're gonna continue on, and let's hope we pull something. Okay, guys, we got Bunnelby, Reverse, and we got Tapu Koko, or Cuckoo. And we'll put that inside. Alright. Okay, we'll keep going. We'll put half the pile here. Sorry guys, I don't got nails. So, throw this here. Bing, 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 bing. Okay. We got Corvisquire, reverse. And we got Hippodon, number 94, rare. That's a cool card. And throw those there. Getting down to the last 10 packs or so, and things are heating up. We're going to get another rare. Throw these here. Alright, we got Combuskin, reverse. And then we got Decidueye, or however you say that, number 13, hollow. Alright. Get this bad boy. Put him in there. Alright, so we got Mimikyu, reverse. Oh yeah, baby. Look what we just pulled. Butterfree V. Oh yeah. Beautiful card. Oh Butterfree, oh Butterfree. Beautiful card. Okay. Let's keep going. Right there. We got Electrite, reverse. And we got Ampharos 57, rare. Alright. So we got Poltergeist reverse. There we we go, baby. Salamence V, if that's how you pronounce it. Alright, the pulls are working, guys. So, the weight does matter. As you can see, there's a lot in this side that I weighed. So that's awesome there. We're down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs left, guys. We're starting to pull some good stuff, so let's keep it up. Throw this here. Alright, we got a Rookedy reverse. And then we have a Copperajah Hollow. That's a pretty cool card. Throw him in a sleeve. Or her, whatever it is. Alright. Alright, we got a Steenie reverse. Alright, we're on a roll. Then we got Stunfish V. Oh yeah. Sorry guys. I got cats and I got allergies. That don't work good, does it? Alright guys, we're down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these packs are feeling thicker. So I hope that's definitely a good sign. Let's throw this here. We got Pansage reverse. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. And we got Cinescorch V Max. Oh yeah. So I'm new to this, so I know there's some good ones. Some I think this might be. I don't really know the value till I look them up when I'm done. I know the price of all older stuff, but on this box, I'm just going by, you know, what you could pull and stuff. And Cinescorch V Max was on here, so that's awesome. So I'm happy with that alone. And Butterfree was on here. Alright guys, clock's ticking. 5 left. If I don't pull Charizard, I won't be bummed. You know, I got 2 I ordered, so I got 2 already coming to me this week. They should be here either tomorrow or Friday, so I'm not worried about that. But it would have been cool to pull it myself. So, okay, we got Talonflame reverse, and we got Blaziken. And we'll put that in the sleeve. Okay, 4 packs left. Golett reverse. Oh, nice. Lugia rare. I like Lugia. And then these are nothing. 3 packs, guys. 3 packs. Alright, get rid of that. We got Ariados reverse. We got Lipard 107. rare. Alright guys, last 2 packs. The Charizard pack is the last of the 5, and this is the 6. So we'll do this one. Pull. Do we got a pull? Alright, we got a Dugtrio reverse. Alright, baby. Here we go. It's not Charizard, but I love it. We got a Mew. Awesome. That's crazy. And last pack, guys. So it'd be cool to get another VMAX or whatever, but either way, guys, I had fun doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sped it along. You know, it would have took forever to see all these commons and uncommons, but I had fun no matter what. So to the last pack. Cheers. We got Passimian, reverse. Alright guys, so we end off good. Not with a Charizard, but with a Houndoom V. So that is definitely cool, guys. So I'll do a recap of the pulls we got today. So I used to think that these weren't guaranteed, but it seemed like these were all guaranteed, the reverse hollows. I always thought it was 1 in every 2 packs, but we got, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I don't know, maybe 20, whatever, of just rares. Then we got We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hollows. We got Blaziken. We got Copperaja. We got Decidueye. We got Tapu Koko. Tyranitar. Another Tyranitar. And then Dragonite. So that's pretty cool for hollows. And then we got Big Parasail. We got Salamence V. We got Stunfisk V. We got Centiskorch V Max. We got Houndoom V. We got Mew V. We got Butterfree V. And then we got Eternatus V Max. So guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for the support, the love. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up on the way out. Definitely share. Definitely leave a comment. Tell me what you like to see. Tell me what you liked about the video. Don't forget, when we hit 100 subscribers, I got that 9.6 slab. I will be mailing out to you. The rules of that will come probably the same way I did the last giveaway. Hopefully the last person received it. Either way, congratulations to you. And until next time. One other thing. Tomorrow, we have a very, very big CGC unboxing. So don't forget to stay tuned and definitely share and let people know. Alright, guys. Peace.